What's going on, traders? Let's talk about gold and 15 minutes here right now. Let's talk about information opportunities. Information and opportunities. What we have here, major low. So that's the first information what we have, and the principle what we look after here is go higher, retest and start breaking the highs, or the prices get rejected and start breaking the lows. Two principles what this line is standing for, and we have to understand that's the major one. So what is happening here? The price get rejected, going downside all the way. So now we have to understand the price going back. So what can happen? This can be the retest of the major zone, or the price is going to be very motivated and start breaking the highs. So what is going on here? Before the prices have the break here, what was price creating here? We have this holder here. You see how the price is holding those lows super nicely actually. No problem here right now at all. But now when the price is shooting all the way up here, making the rejection high, the first one. So what's going on here? So the idea is to go break and retest. Price is going, no retest, and price going back to the highs, get rejected. And what was happening? The price is now close under. So now the price action is back under the zone. Price is back under the zone. This and this one here. Those two principles. And the beautiful thing is you see this impulse healthy candlestick, close, under. What's going on here? We have retest and prices start breaking the previous lows, and price is breaking the previous lows, and now all the way down the price is breaking the previous holder. What is holding the price action in that range to push higher and push higher right now? The price is breaking the lows and give up. So right now what is going on? Price is breaking the previous structural major lows, and now we have the pullback. So we have here first retest, and now we have the second retest here. After that we can just put something, this one here, we see, just for information. And now what was happening here? The price got fixed in Friday night. The prices bounce in Friday night. Monday morning prices get rejected and start going down. And what was happening again? The price is breaking again the major lows, and here again prices get spiked all the way up here, and up here. And what was happening? The price is breaking the previous lows again, all the way here. First time, second time, and third time. And now the price is just melting through heavily. So let's talk about a few opportunities. So now we have this information. Where is the opportunities to follow this price action? So first opportunity what you can take here is, after this structure break you can have idea of sells already, because we get rejection on the major low, and the principle is to break under, retest, and start breaking the lows. Break under, retest, breaking the lows, second retest, and start going. So where is the original holder where all this move starts? So let's go back here. What we see, we have the first original momentum zone here, and this momentum is pressing higher. What was happened? Price first want to go higher Again, same thing, get rejected. You see, get rejected, and this candlestick body close under. Rejection, rejection, boom, boom, and price is breaking the lows. Prices break the lows here. Now the price is bounce, 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 bounce. Where is the opportunity? In that case, opportunity is this zone here. But you see the price is going above it. Retest, retest, going above, breaking those minor highs here. And we have nice retest here, going above. So this opportunity zone is your take profit zone here if you start selling. So example, let's say you take the first retest sell or the second retest sell. The both right now was good. So let's say we take the first one here. Stop loss, let's put last candlestick body high here, and that's your take profit. This is your take profit area. So right now these trades, what we have, so we definitely have major information, and major information is after here we break back under that, retest it and start going lower. So right now this trade information, what was, we have the major information and the principal information. So right now there was 25% to go long and 100% to go short. Still not bad, pretty solid trades. So second entry, what you can have, and stop loss, we can take the same stop loss, this, and take profit the same. And this trades for is the same. We have major information, we have principal information, and then we have the second retest. I can say it's same. It's 25 long and 100 short. It's the same caliber here. So what is going on here? If you're holding a trade, you see this one, you see this kind of trend line here. What was bounce something here? That's the original one. Fake out and continue, break under, retest. You can have a minor trade here, but it's not. It's better if you right now hold those, and maybe you have like a little re-entry here. Let's talk about just opportunities. So let's say that's the opportunity here. Your stop loss gonna be the last week high or the last structure high if you're looking above the box. Take profit same, 100%. In that case, what we have definitely major information. We have principal information, and we have some kind of pattern here. Yeah, there is pattern, let's say there is pattern, and then we have the trend line information, break under and retest. I call this, that's the, let's say this is the re-enter trades, and I'm saying, so let's take the pattern down. We have pattern 20, and there's like, I gonna say it's 10% long and 100 short. That's the trade here for information. And now where is those lows here? So price is getting too close on those lows. You know, all those lows here, the price is getting too close on those lows. Let's put those lows here. Let's put the first original low, because the price is still respecting that low. Bounce and bounce. Ooh, look at that. So our previous opportunity was here. What was happening? We have the breaking structure, retest, and starting breaking the highs. Right now what the price was doing, we break the lows, holding the lows, we break the lows again here. What you can see here, price was breaking the lows again, and we have bounce, retest, breaking the lows, retest, and clean, healthy impulse candlestick body close under all previous lows. What you see here, all those lows, tinks, the candlestick body close under that. So what is the principle? Opposite sides, retest and starting breaking the lows. So what the price is doing, breaking the lows, retest, breaking the lows, breaking the lows, and retest. So that was the original principle. When the price is respecting that opportunity, what's have to happen? The price is going to retest that zone and start breaking the highs. What was happening here? That was the first time when the price was going all the way back and retest that zone, what we respect in the first place. And now, what was happening? We have this retest and price is starting to break in the highs. What was happened? Get rejected, and what is the next movement? Bounce. We break the lows. You see how this price action now break these lows here? Break the lows, retest, break the lows, retest, break the lows, retest, break the lows, retest, and now the price is just gone. So what is the opportunities here? So first of all, we have inside here the box opportunity. What we see, the price didn't reach that because the rejection was much stronger. So let's go lower. So right now we can use this principle here of the previous box information. We can use this principle, and right now can we have a take profit area? So this is the low, that's the previous low. So this is our take profit area, the previous major lows, and where is the structure here? That was the bounce. I'm gonna take, that's the take profit area on those shorts there. The previous structure break, because that was the whole low what was holding, and price break the highs, retest, break the highs, retest, break the highs, retest, following the principle. Let's say. So now opportunity. So opportunity is the following this principle here. To break under, break the lows, retest, break the lows. So let's say this is going to be opportunity right now, and stop loss last week high, and this is going to be the take profit what we just found it here. How we gonna call that trades? So right now what we have the previous major information, and we know the price get rejected heavily. So rejected, we break the previous holder what was holding this price action all the way up. You know, all this price action here all the way up here, that was the holder, that was opportunity, that was the zone what was holding this weight of that box. And now we know we break it, so the price is definitely respecting this major information. And now going down, we disrespect some principles here, we disrespect some patterns here. Same times we're respecting the 180 mindset, and now the price is breaking all the lows here and get rejected highs. So I'm calling that trade right now here. 10 long and 100% short, and price is going and yeah, price is going down. So details are super good. So what is next? Definitely we have now momentum zone, strong momentum zone here. Look at those 2 weeks, very strong, and momentum is to push higher. The principle is break it, those highs here, retest and starting breaking the highs. Otherwise the price get rejected and starting breaking the lows. What we see, the price going back. What you see, price get rejected, still holding the lows. Going back here, get rejected, still holding the lows. Going back here, get rejected, and now the price is breaking the lows. The principle is that break the lows, retest, break the lows. Another one. Look at this one, another momentum zone. Same thing, momentum is push higher, principle is break retest and going higher, otherwise we get rejected and going lower, start breaking the lows. But right now what we have to understand, we have two zones here. And what was happening, the first zone, price was respecting the opposite principle what is pushing downsides. So that means this fear inside this area is right now super strong, because the price tried to break highs, fail it, and price just give up. And now the price was making a new zone. Let's bring this one here, and this one here. So what we know, this zone is already pressing down, and now we have the opportunity. What the price is doing, get heavily rejected, have another go and start breaking the lows. So what's going on? The prices didn't make the bullish principle, it didn't make that, price get rejected and start breaking the lows. Good entry point here, super good entry point. Short, can we see some, okay, this is, and that's this one. Okay, where's the previous low, and the price still want to go lower? So now we have to understand, where is the previous structure here, what was pushing higher, what was going on here. Price start here pushing, bouncing here and bouncing here and bouncing here, and that's the structure. So for me was, you see, when the price going here, now we bounce here to 618 and price is now breaking the highs. So for me this sounds very good take profit area, the previous structures, and now that's the take profit here. That's my take profits, and my stop loss gonna be the last. I'm gonna use the previous zone here. Looks solid. This is gonna be. So now how we gonna call that trade? So what we have momentum disrespect. Can we have definitely this one here. Can we form the pattern? We have an M pattern, we have a bearish pattern here, and nice retest breaking the lows. And now the price was respecting, and little bit manipulation here too, because you look, we break the previous highs but it's heavily rejected. So I'm calling that trade right now. Boom boom boom. I'm calling this one 25 long and 100 short. I'm calling this one like that. And that's the beige here too, continuation pattern, a little bit bigger. You see this one here. I'm gonna take this one. We have this bit manipulation here, and then going downside. So the idea is like if you have right now question like why you looking those lows here. So idea is because when the price is disrespecting our previous lows, we're gonna go back in the original place where the price found the original energy to go higher. Because right now we don't have structure here, we have to go all the way back to the previous structure. And when this was the low, that means that price was holding this low right now here. That's what the price was holding. And now when the price start breaking that thing, that means the price is gonna go back to the previous low what the price was holding. Now it was this one what was happening, price was breaking lower. So where the price going back, our previous low here what the price was holding. It's a 180 mindset, we have to realize that. It's super good. So here is information, here is, and that's the market engineering information. the thing what we're talking about. That's the market engineering, and that's the final the weight or the pressure or the weight of information what you have in your heads. And if you found this one, then you're it's a pretty solid information to take that trade. It's a very solid information. It's super messy, but that's how we learn, that's how we build up, that's how we build our personal edge. And right now what you're gonna do is you're gonna write all this stuff down. You're gonna think about it, you're gonna write it down, and you're gonna read it out loud to make this golden triangle. I'm gonna say it again here. What you're gonna do, you're gonna think about that information. Ooh. Now you're gonna write it down, this information, you're gonna write it down, and then what you're gonna do, is you're gonna read it out loud. You're gonna read it out loud, and then you're gonna go back here. So what is happening if you're thinking your own thoughts, your own thinking? Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna write it down. So what is happening is now you're seeing your thinking, your thoughts, because you write it down. You see through your eyes. You see through your eyes what was your thoughts, and you're gonna write it down. And then you have your writing emotions, how you write this how your hand is going up and down, how you're writing your words, your hand is moving up and down, you're building some kind of pattern inside, because those words, you're writing those words down, and there is pattern behind it. So next thing what you're gonna do is you read it out loud. What is gonna happen, you are listening now your thinkings, because you're reading out loud. You are listening your own thoughts, your thinkings. You're gonna read it out loud. And now you know. So how strong now your thoughts are if you're following this one here. Now let's say if you're just thinking and doing zero work. And now if you're thinking and doing all this work, so what do you think, what is stronger to build your muscle memory? Keep that in the mind. That's the hard work what we have to do, and that's a necessary, especially if you wanna develop mainly the trading mindset. Because right now everything what I told right now here, I'm seeing all those things without like that. I'm like, if I'm like looking right now this, I'm seeing already this information. That's why I made it. Like I made all this thing right now just in my head, because I see how the price is reacting, and I'm just using my muscle memory. And if you're going back in this, the golden triangle, I was doing those things years back in the days. I take the gold going back to the 80s, doing just 40 years in 50-minute time frame, all the way in the current time. 2-3 weeks later, just delete everything and going back and do it again. Delete everything. 2 weeks later, going back and do it again and again and again until everything is muscle memory. Until if you just watch this and you can understand what is the price is doing, where is the weight, and that's the weight here. And that's the weight. You understand through the action what the price want to do, what the price is respecting, what the price is disrespecting, and that's your measurement how to take trades. And if you're keeping that thing in your head, that's how you're gonna mastering your muscle memory, and again and again and again. And if you're thinking you are good, you do it again. You are doing it again. Are you a warrior or not? Student never surrenders. You keep that in your mind. and we are the warriors. In this channel, we are the warriors, we are the thinkers, and we never give up. Warrior minds need warrior body, and we never give up. Yep, I think that's a very good information, and yeah, write it all down and make your own ways to understand that. And we have to understand that actually everything here what you see is actually simple. It's a very simplicity. It's a very smooth and simple. It's just principles, up and down, up and down. Every single thing is following the same principles. And then what you're gonna do, you're just gonna muscle memorizing those same principles. You know, everywhere is same principles. If you're looking all those principles, here, what is happening, they are all same. The principles are all same. Going down, you see it's all same principles. That's why you have to, and don't undermine the simplicity, or how to say that, something like that. And here too. Anyway, I'm gonna finish today here, and if you have questions, leave me in the comments or join our Discord and just message me there. And one thing more, I never gonna add any person in through the Discord. So if you see someone is adding and is using my name, what we see right now is loads of people who's using like they're using the same name what I have, but you see there is like dots here, and it's not my original. How we can see mine here, this one. Ooh. So this is me originally. Here you see those are dots here. There is two, these ones here, and you see too, it's like 2024. Mine, how we can see the full profile. I'm 2017, August 13, 2017. Yeah, there is a loads of those people around it, so yeah, I never gonna message you first or add you first. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna finish right now, and I'm seeing every single one tomorrow. Thank you, and happy beautiful Thursday. See you tomorrow. Ciao.